All right, are you with me? It's time to push forward into uncharted territory. We're going to go out of the first quadrant. When we look at our axes like this, remember we call this the first quadrant, this the second, the third, and the fourth. So far, everything has been between 0 and 90 degrees. And we found that all of our trig functions have been positive. I could take the sine of an angle, the cosine of an angle, the tangent of an angle. It didn't matter. All of those trig functions are positive. Let's see what happens if we go into new quadrants. For example, let's look at this angle in the second quadrant. So now we're looking at this entire angle. And I want to know, what is the sine of that angle, or the cosine of that angle? Well, first let me tell you what the angle is. This angle is 3 pi over 4 radians. Now what I do in these situations is I still make my right triangle relative to this x-axis baseline, we can think of it as. Why don't you go to Google and type these in? I know this is sort of a menial task, but there's a good reason to type these in, get an answer, and tell me what you get.